There is a space mystery that hasn't been answered for decades and probably won't be anytime soon. They have been researched for years, and their properties are still unknown. Astronomers around the world work day and night studying everything they can about these, and they are called black holes. John Mitchell, he was the first one to propose the idea of dark stars, which are objects that are so massive even light couldn't escape it. And in this time, 1783, this was the first idea resembling black holes. And then, a little bit more than a century later, Albert Einstein introduced his theory of general relativity. It explains how gravity affects space and time, and which introduces the idea of black holes. And then only 1 year later, Carl Schwarzschild solved Einstein's equations and described a region in space where gravity could be infinite, and then which is now known as the Schwarzschild radius, or the event horizon. And in the 1960s, the term was popularized by the physicist John Wheeler, in which he named them black holes, which covers its history. And so, how do they work? There are 4 main factors included into this. Its event horizon, its singularity, its gravitational pull, and its accretion disk. The event horizon of the black hole can also be renamed as the point of no return. Not even light could escape it. This is because how strong its gravity is, and its singularity, the center of the black hole where matter is crushed into infinite density, and the laws of physics as we know them break down. Its gravitational pull is so strong that it warps space-time around it. It can pull in matter, light, and even the space-time around its event horizon. And you might see a glowing disk around it. That's called the accretion disk. A glowing disk of gas and dust spiraling around the black hole, ending up immense friction and gravity. And we know they are formed from stars exploding, but how do we know what they look like? Where and when was the first picture taken? On April 10, 2019, scientists from the Event Horizon Telescope, EHT, revealed the first image of a black hole galaxy, Meister 87. It showed a glowing orange dot shaped as a ring, the shadow of the black hole. Though there have been many theories going around that this image could be fake. But do you know what isn't fake? My ebook that you can buy now at a low price. It features the founding of space, all sources are cited well by NASA, and it's at the lowest price you'll ever see. Buy it now, don't be left out. Check the link in the description or check the comments. Which continues us, what types of black holes are there? There are stellar mass black holes, which form from the collapse of massive stars and typically are 3 to 10 times more than the mass of our star. There are supermassive black holes that form in the center of galaxies and are about millions to billions times the mass of our sun's mass. Intermediate mass black holes, which are rare with masses between stellar and supermassive black holes, but are still trying to be confirmed by astronomers. And lastly, primordial black holes, which are theoretical, and they probably formed in the early universe and could be very small and unpredictable. It's still a theory. And there is one about 1,500 light years away in the Ophiuchus constellation, Gia BH1. There are black holes that wander the universe, and you never know. Which concludes black holes. Don't forget to check the link in the description or the comments to purchase my ebook, Infinity Haven.